Yo, what's up, Diamond family? It's your man VV, and welcome back to the VVS Academy. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and makes your music better. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. Look, man, I got a really crazy video for you guys today. We're on a time limit. I'm gonna show you guys how to mix crazy rap hooks in only 5 minutes. All right, we're working on a 2-track. I noticed how you guys like to work, so I'm gonna show you guys how to mix perfect rap hooks on 2 tracks. It's only gonna take 5 minutes. You ready? Let's jump right into it. Look, but if you're still struggling to get your vocals to sit inside of the beat, you gotta take my free course, man. It's gonna teach you to balance out your vocals and your beat perfectly every single time. It takes about 15 minutes. It's completely free. Check it out down below. I won't overtalk it. Let's go ahead and get right into the song. I'm just gonna play the hook now.
These streets don't love me, they don't love me. When I was broke, they laughed like it was funny. Now I'm ballin' out and getting money. Smoke exotic strands and sipping bubbly. How can you judge me? You can't judge me. I really thought these motherfuckers loved me.
Cool, you get the idea. Super dope hook. I like the vibe of it. Let's go ahead and get rid of the ad-libs because we don't really need those right now. Let's go ahead and get to some of the moves we will make before we even add plugins. So the first thing I want to do is mess with the panning. When we recorded it, we just panned everything 100 left and right. It's just quick and it gets things out of the way so you can keep the creativity flowing. But now let's dial in something a little closer to the middle. So let's try 40 and see what it sounds like. Oftentimes if you're recording doubles, if you don't record a third one for right down the middle, you can't pan things quite as wide. It just starts to sound a little weird. So let's hear what this sounds like.
These streets don't love me, they don't love me. When I was broke, they laughed like it was funny. Now I'm ballin' out and getting money. Smoke exotic strands and sipping bubbly. How can you judge me?
Cool. I like the way that sounds a lot better. You can also tell that, well, you might be able to tell, depending on your ear, man, you can hear that the vocals are already pretty controlled. We tracked with some compression, but if you didn't, I would advise just adding some kind of compressor to the individual like channels before you start messing with the bus. Just some light compression, 3, 4, maybe 5 dB. You can use anything. The RVox works great. Any kind of 2A compressor, anything kind of slow. I think is a pretty good compressor to kind of get a little bit of gain reduction in. And then we're going to jump right down here to the actual channel strip. So from here, we already have a mix bus channel strip, which we really can flip to just the channel, which I think I would prefer. I'm not even sure if there's a big difference, but I like to think there is. So we'll go with that. And then for the compressor we're using, let's use the vintage 1176. We're probably going to get 5 to 7 dB of gain reduction. And again, we're affecting both of these vocals, the left and the right, together now. We're compressing them together. So let's hear what we get.
These streets don't love me, they don't love me. When I was broke, they laughed like it was funny. Now I'm ballin' out and getting money. Smoke exotic strands and sipping bubbly. How can you judge me? You can't judge me. I really thought these motherfuckers loved me. Now I see their faces when they mug me. And it's the same ones that used to hug me.
Let's hear the difference. Let's take this off.
These streets don't love me, they don't love me. When I was broke, they laughed like it was funny.
And with it,
these streets don't love me, they don't love me. When I was broke, they laughed like it was funny.
cool. As you can hear, man, just a solid, a thicker, more heavy vocal sound. Next thing I would do is go to the EQ. I forgot we're on the time limit. I gotta really run it. Let's go.
These streets don't love me, they don't love me. When I was broke, they laughed like it was funny. Now I'm ballin' out and getting money. Smoke exotic strands and sipping bubbly. How can you judge me? You can't judge me. I really thought these motherfuckers loved me. Now I see their faces when they mug me. And it's the same ones that used to hug me. When the lotto gotta put it on. These streets don't love me, they don't love me. When I was broke, they laughed like it was funny. Now I'm ballin' out and getting money. Smoke exotic strands and sipping bubbly. How can you judge me? You can't judge me. I really thought these motherfuckers loved me. Now I see their faces when they mug me. And it's the same ones that used to hug me.
I really like the sound of that. Let's go ahead and get just a little bit of high-end saturation. And instead of using the Revival, I'm actually going to grab the Fresh Air instead. And we're just about there, man. I'm telling you, 5 minutes is all you need.
These streets don't love me, they don't love me. When I was broke, they laughed like it was funny. Now I'm ballin' out and getting money. Smoke exotic strands and sipping bubbly. How can you judge me? You can't judge me. I really thought these motherfuckers loved me. Now I see their faces when they mug me. And it's the same ones that used to hug me.
And as you can see, man, that quick, you can get an A1 rap hook right over a 2-track if you know what you're doing. These are the tips I'm giving you guys week in and week out. And if you need a little bit more help, drop me a line down below. My name is VV and I'm here for you. Remember, stay humble, make diamonds only. Peace.
These streets don't love me, they don't love me. When I was broke, they laughed like it was funny. Now I'm ballin' out and getting money. Smoke exotic strands and sipping bubbly. How